What's going on, guys? I've watched a few videos on removing the corrosive plug that Suzuki messed up on for the 04 motors, and I'm going to try to give you guys a better look into how to really do it. There's a few good videos out there. The one I found was the guy replacing it with a plug, but you know, I can't find a 1 3/8 brass plug around me, so I'm just going to do this. So what I got is I just got an angle grinder with a floppy disc around 60 grit. I got a drill, I got an 8mm socket on there, and I got a 1 3/8 hole saw and a shop vac. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna start by, go ahead and pop it off the cowling. Sorry if the wind or, you know, the shaky of the phone, I'm trying to do this by myself. So here it is, the 04 Suzuki 140. The power head is actually a 140. I think the motor is a 115, but the guy swapped it out when I bought it. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna grab your impact or your drill, and you're just gonna proceed to take off the bolts to get the chaps off. So we'll jump back when we get the chaps off. All right, so once you successfully got the chaps off, you can see the plug right there on mine. I just put some new JB Weld, but it's rough shape. So what you're gonna wanna do now is go ahead and drop your seal. Mine's actually ripping, but go ahead and drop your seal as much as you can, and then you're just want to take the shop vac up, get the shop vac as close as you can, and just drill that out. So we'll get back to you when we're drilling it out. All right, so now we went ahead and got our hole started. I don't know if you guys can see that. Now here, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and kick on the shop vac, and see if I can't set this up so you guys can see what I'm seeing. So what you're going to want to do is you want to turn on the shop vac and proceed to drill it out. And as you're drilling it out, you're going to want to keep this as close as you can to the bolt. If I were you, I'd go in reverse. Alright, so now that you got it kind of cut, you're going to just want to finish, go all the way through, get that hole basically a perfect circle, and then figure out your welding situation. Get a plug, weld it right on, boom, and you're good to rock and roll. So I'll get back to you guys with, you know, the update on once I get it welded tomorrow. We'll see how that goes. So stay updated.